We are here at the Secunderabad railway station, standing next to the Biodiversity Special. This is by far the largest and the most promising initiative taken by the Government of India. As you can see, students have queued up here. There are hundreds and hundreds of them. We're going to ask the officials here about how many people pay visit to the biodiversity train on a daily basis. Sir, what is the average number of visitors here?
Today, maybe yesterday, maybe 35,000 comes, 21,000 student and 13,000 general visitor. Today, maybe it crossed 30,000.
And since the train has been halted here in this platform, how many total visitors have?
1,70,000 plus.
The figures are stalking. This is amazing. The kind of response that this initiative has seen, it has been brilliant. We're going to move and get into the bogie, and we need to find some way to get into it. Let's now get inside the bogie and have a look and see what the Biodiversity Special train has to offer. In the midst of enough security and volunteers all over, the bogie is full of students and enthusiasts who want to understand what the issue of biodiversity is and want to understand more about the Government of India initiatives. We'll try and find some teachers here, and we'll talk to them about what they expect to learn from this initiative. And as you can see, it's full of people, and there's a lot of noise here. Ma'am, hi. I'm going to speak with you for a very short while. Which school are you from?
Rockwell International.
Brilliant. And is this your first visit to the train?
Yes.
Great. Your first comments on the initiative by Government of India?
Oh, it's amazing. It's the experience that the children are getting. It's so rich, and it's the awareness that will be created. It's amazing.
Do you really think it's a very solid initiative, and is the learning quotient as far as students are concerned really?
Yes.
You, for example, we can clearly see how a teacher from Rockwell School in Hyderabad is explaining to the students the biogeographic zones in India. This is an incredible way of making students aware of the rich biodiversity culture in the country. There is another panel that we see here that talks about these species which are on the brink of extinction. There's a little briefing on the protected area, the protected forest area in the country. As we can see, the kind of role the volunteers there are playing. They're constantly trying to interact with the students, giving them an idea about what the train has to offer, interacting with them and trying to increase their curiosity so that they take more and more active participation. We're going to speak with one of the volunteers here and understand his experience. So very quickly, tell us about your experience here and how wonderful is it to be interacting with students, and how has your experience been so far?
It is a lifetime achievement, you can say, for me. I'm so much happy to interact with these students, such kids, and I have never expected I will get such opportunity in my life, and traveling in the entire country and interacting so variety of people. Here I am also experiencing the biodiversity of people, you can say, as well as the other animals, and this is very nice experience. It's a very excellent thing that I must say.
It's been a mega success, the initiative by the Government of India. Looking at the energy and the vibrance this place has, and the active participation of both students as well as the volunteers. As we already gave you an idea of the number of people paying visit to this train is almost 25 to 30,000. 20,000 to 25 to 30,000 people are getting this kind of an exposure where brilliant volunteers like ma'am here has been constantly trying to interact with students and explaining them the value of biodiversity. Ma'am, hi. Tell us how's your experience been so far?
It's a great opportunity to be a part of the project staff in the Science Express. The experience is you can leave your impacts on many lives, particularly the students, and you get to know to interact with many delegates from all over the country.
See how beautifully the bogie has been designed. There's a cola up there.
The one who have been explaining, they are very patient and they are explaining in detail, and we are very happy for that.
Very happy for the explanation part actually. We never expected that one. We thought we'll just come here, just see and go. But it's a wonderful experience, nice